My squat was always weak and I didn't know why. So before I ever got started into compound lifts or compound movements, my squat was always weak and I didn't know why, up until I started training full body, and then I understood what was going on. So in this video I want to talk to you guys on how you can get a stronger squat, or to increase your numbers on the squat. And it's very easy. You can do that by simply training your back. Train your back, get a stronger back, and you can train your back with deadlifts, because when you're doing the squat, what you'll notice is that your lower back will mostly have pain. If your back is weak, then you'll notice a lot of pain on your lower back. So you can train that using deadlifts, because what this will do is it will strengthen your posterior chain and your lower back. Because when you do squats, I don't know if it's form or the weight is too heavy or the lower back is weak, but from my personal experience, before I started doing compounds through full body training, my squat was always weak and I always had lower back pain after squatting, up until I started doing deadlifts, and I saw improvements, a lot of improvements in a short period of time. My squat went up and I experienced less back pain when doing squats. And I think that's a carryover of the deadlift, by strengthening my posterior chain or my lower back. So if you want to have a stronger squat or a higher squatting number as your personal PR, then you should try deadlifts by strengthening your back.
Don't act like you forgot. I called a shot, like blah, blah, blah.